I want to show if you have never used find and replace, you're missing out on a very powerful tool. Let's choose replace. Let's say if I misspelled the state of Maine and I didn't put an E on it. And so I wanted to look through this massive worksheet and make sure that I find every one of them, or should I say the computer will find every one of them. So what I want to do also when it's in regards to a proper name like that, state, go to the options. Choose this box, match case, because if you don't, any place that has M-A-I-N in it, it will change it to M-A-I-N-E. Right here also. So you choose match case, it will leave this one alone. Watch. I'm going to say replace all. See? It replaced that one and every one of these. But it didn't touch this one. Now, if I wanted to, let's deselect that. Let's undo that. Deselect that, close the options, and I'll undo that, what I did. Now let's say that what I want to do is only find the ones that only have Maine alone in one cell. Now that's not in regards to here. You could actually delete this if you want. So we're talking about another scenario. Let's say you misspelled Maine, but you didn't choose the match case. But let's say, but I did. And I said, okay, then if you did and you're worried about it, then go ahead, and if you didn't choose that, but watch, if I said match entire cell contents, without choosing that, watch what it does here. It will still leave this alone. Why? Even though you didn't ask for it to put only matching case, you know, only find the ones that have capital M-A-I-N, but you didn't use match case. But you did use match entire cell contents. If I chose that, watch what happens. You see, it changed every one of them, but it still didn't change that. Why? Because Maine, M-A-I-N, was not the only word in that cell. That's what's the difference between when you choose that under the replace and it says match entire cell contents. So if this is what it's asking about, that's the only word that can be in that cell. That is the only time it will change then. That's the two different ways that are really most widely used for the people that are more advanced. So this is a great tool, easy to learn too. Go over and over this and you'll get it.